Welcome. Today we discuss part 9 of the chapter Progression for JEE Main Advance and for different state level joint entrance exam. First problem today is 41, problem number 41 of this chapter, and it is if 64, 27 and 36 are pth, qth and rth term of a GP, then value of p plus 2q is equal to options r, 2r, 3r, 4r. So we see that a GP is given. Its pth term is 64, qth term 27 and rth term is 36. Then its value, we have to calculate its value in terms of r only. So suppose that x and y are first term and common ratio of the GP. Therefore, we must have 64 is equal to its pth term. So x into y to the power p minus 1. Similarly, 27 is equal to its qth term of the GP. So x into y to the power q minus 1, and 36 is the rth term. To calculate p plus 2q, that is these powers, p plus 2q, and it must be in terms of r only. So somehow we have to eliminate x and y. You see 64 is equal to 4 into 4 into 4, 4 cube. 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3, and 36 is equal to 4 into 9. Now let us find, I factorize it because to find the relation between 64, 27 and 36. You see 64 into 27 square, this and this square means 9 into 9, and that must be equal to 36 whole cube, because it is 4 into 4. You see in 36 it is 4, so 4 cube is there, and 37 square means 3 to the power 6. Here it is 36 cube, 3 to the power 6. So this way we can factorize it. So 64, you see, it is equal to x into y to the power p minus 1 into 27 whole square means that whole square, x y to the power q minus 1 whole square is equal to 36 means x into y to the power r minus 1 whole cube. So it is x into x square, that is x cube. Here it is x cube cancelled. So x cancelled. Y to the power p minus 1 and here into y to the power 2q minus 2 is equal to y to the power 3r minus 3. So we get y to the power p plus 2q minus 3r, and this minus 3 cancels with that minus 3. This is equal to 1. Hence, this is equal to p plus 2q minus 3r is equal to 0, that is equal to 3r. Hence, value of p plus 2q is 3r. So, option C is correct. Next problem. Next problem is 42. Problem number 42. It is the value of 0.037 recurring is equal to options 1 by 37, 37 by 100, 37 by 1000, 37 by 990. Value of that 37 recurring. There is a definite law how to obtain the value of that, but with the help of infinite GP series, I try to calculate it. Actually, this is equal to 0.037, and 37 is recurring. It is 37. It is 37, 37, and continue is equal to 0.03637 plus, I take up to this, plus that part 0.00037. So adding these two, we get up to this. Next, consider this term. It is equal to 0.00037 and so on. So I get a definite rule. It is an infinite GP. First term A is equal to 0.037 and R is equal to this by that or this by that. It is equal to this by that means 1 by 100. This by that. So that the sum, that is 0.037 recurring, it is equal to A by 1 minus R. A means 0.037 by 1 minus 1 by 100. It is equal to 0.037 by 100 minus 1, that is 99, by 100. That 100 I write here, so that it is equal to shifted, this is shifted, so it is actually equal to 3.7 divided by 99, so that it is equal to 370 by 37 not 0. I multiply here by 10, here also by 10. So this is 37 and this is 990. So this is correct answer. So this is correct option. Next problem. And it would be problem number 43 of that chapter. If ABC and PQR are positive real numbers such that A, B, C are in GP and A to the power P is equal to B to the power Q is equal to C to the power R, then which one is correct? First option PQR GP in GP. Next option PQR in AP, PQR in HP, and P square, Q square, R square are in AP. So let us see the problem once again. ABC and PQR, they are positive real numbers, and ABC are in GP, and this is equal to that. Then which one is correct? Let us suppose that this is equal to K. So from here I can say A is equal to K to the power 1 by P. B is equal to K to the power 1 by Q. And C is equal to K to the power 1 by R. Once again, given that ABC are in AP, as because ABC are in AP, AC is equal to B square. That is K to the power 1 by P into K to the power 1 by R AC is equal to B square K to the power 2 by Q. That means we have 1 by P plus 1 by R is equal to 2 by Q. So we can claim that 1 upon P, 1 upon Q, 1 upon R are in AP. That is PQR in HP. That is option C is correct. Next, problem number 44. Forty-fourth number is problem is if between two positive numbers A1 and A2 are two arithmetic mean G1 and G2, are two geometric mean and H1, H2 are two harmonic means, then value of G1, G2 by H1, H2 are how much? Options. First option is A1 plus A2 by H1 plus H2. Second option, A1 minus A2 by H2 minus H1. A1 minus A2 by H1 minus H2 and A1 minus A2 by H1 plus H2. Here, between two given numbers, A1 and A2 are two arithmetic mean. Between same two numbers, G1 and G2 are two geometric means and two harmonic means. Then we have to find the value of that in terms of that. Clearly, suppose that A and B are the two numbers. A and B are the two given numbers. And between them, A1 and A2, they are two arithmetic means. So they together form a arithmetic progression. Therefore, we must have A plus B is equal to A1 plus A2 because of the fact that equidistant terms from beginning and end, their sum must be equal. This is static initial point, this is end one, and this is one term after initial position, and A2 is one term before last term. So sum of these two must be equal to that. Otherwise, you can obtain in this way also, because A1 minus A is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to B minus A2. Therefore, B plus A is equal to A1 plus A2. This one. Similarly, between A and B, G1 and G2 are two geometric means. So once again we have product of A into B is equal to G1 into G2. Product of two equidistant terms are same. And thirdly, suppose this is 1, this is 2. Thirdly, A, H1, H2 and B, between these two numbers, these are the harmonic means. Therefore, 1 by A, 1 by H1, 1 by H2 and 1 by B, they are in AP. Therefore, sum of two equidistant terms must be equal to, must be same. So we have A plus B by AB, adding them is equal to H1 plus H2 by H1, H2. But A plus B is equal to A1 plus A2. by AB. AB is your G1, G2 is equal to H1 plus H2 by H1 into H2. And our question is G1, G2 by H1, H2. How much? So from by cross multiplication, from here we obtain G1, G2 by H1, H2 is equal to A1 by H1 plus H2. So this is our answer, required answer. So first option is correct. Option A is correct. Next,